I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off. Do you think there's value in the idea of building local communities in and around transacting back and forth in Bitcoin, creating a local kind of circular economy?
100%. And to be honest, that's really one of the leading motivations as to why to go through the work and the effort to build out a local community. I mean, yeah, it's great to meet other Bitcoiners in person, but really, when shit hits the fan, we want to know that we're going to be strong in our local community, and that, we have members of the group who have chickens, right, and are going to have eggs. We have folks that live on farms that have beef and milk, and everybody kind of provides what they can provide. And I think, if things do get dark in that scenario, we're going to know who has our back, right, and we're going to know it's time to take care of each other. I think Bitcoiners are some of the most trustworthy and supportive people that I've met through all walks of life. And I totally agree that we're probably going to go through some crazy times. And I think you're going to want to be surrounded by as many local people who kind of share your same viewpoints and are passionate about the same things you are during that time. So yeah, 100%. I think it's important to build your local network and your local community to be ready. And right, I mean, even if things are quote unquote soft landing, then you'll just have a bunch of great friends. So what can go wrong?